Hello, crypto enthusiasts. Are you ready to dive in the Hello, crypto enthusiasts. Are you ready to dive into the future of Ethereum's proof of stake system? Today we're going to explore an exciting protocol that's revolutionizing the crypto space. Welcome to the world of EigenLayer. EigenLayer is an innovative protocol built on the Ethereum network. It's designed to commoditize decentralized trust and is making waves in the market with a recent Series A $50 million raise. But what makes EigenLayer so special? Let's find out. EigenLayer introduces a unique concept called restaking. This mechanism allows Ethereum stakers to reallocate their staked assets, bolstering security for various applications and earning additional rewards. But how does this work? EigenLayer allows protocols to leverage Ethereum's highly secure trust network. This means protocols can kickstart their launch. With much less cost, as they don't have to bootstrap an entire validator set through reward incentives. This significantly increases the potential innovations that could be developed by protocols, freeing up startup capital. But that's not all. EigenLayer's EigenDA offers an alternative off-chain data availability option to Layer 2s, enabling them to save on the data management cost while providing a similar level of security. Users benefit from increased capital efficiency by having the option to restake their ETH, in return receiving more staking rewards. The protocol has implemented staking caps on liquid staking tokens, LSTs, with plans to cap the participation and influence of any liquid restaking token, LRT, LST, or single participant at a maximum of 33% to prevent dominance by any single entity. This ensures a fair and balanced ecosystem. Now let's talk numbers. With more than $15 billion staked in EigenLayer, supporting 9 actively validated services, AVSs, with 50 plus AVSs in development, EigenLayer is truly revolutionizing the Ethereum network. It's not just about enhancing Ethereum's proof of stake system, but also about creating a marketplace for decentralized trust. So what does this mean for the future of Ethereum and the crypto space? With EigenLayer, we're looking at a more efficient, flexible, and secure Ethereum network. It's an exciting time to be part of the crypto universe. If you found this video informative and want to dive deeper into the crypto world, please make sure to check out our other videos on the Inside Crypto channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest in crypto. And remember, stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring the crypto universe with us.